Yeah, g'day everyone. It's Chriso. On Friday, I did this. I did the floor. You'll notice how I've got the shower. See how it's sloping. See how that's sloping down there, and it's sloping all the way to the waste, to the strip drain. That strip drain fits in there nicely. It's a nice fit. I won't try and fit it in now. But then now, yes, I'm going up the walls today. Today's Monday morning. They have a feature wall, which I'm just doing now. So we'll zap up there, and then I can pop out these other walls. We have a nice niche there, which I'll be trimming in black aluminium. All the fittings are all going to be black, so it's going to be pretty cool. Alright, I'll get back to you shortly. There's heaps to learn, DIYers, so lean in on my videos and you will pick things up. We'll see you soon. Bye.